I asked my friends to join me for Ig Nobel November, and this is guest spot number 2 with Joannosaurus.
If you follow my friend Dexter, then you already know it's Ig Nobel November. The Ig Nobel Awards are awarded to science that makes us first laugh and then think. And I wanted to highlight one of the 2023 recipients of the award, Jan Zalasiewicz. Jan was awarded the Ig Nobel Prize for Geology and Chemistry for explaining why scientists like to lick rocks. Putting my own thoughts about licking dinosaur bones aside, any geology student can tell you that licking rocks is a regular part of their education. For example, one of the ways to tell the difference between the mineral halite, which is sodium chloride, and sylvite, which is potassium chloride, is to give it a lick. Sylvite tastes disgusting, by the way. My sedimentology professors used to regularly tell us to chew rocks in order to tell the difference between some of the smallest particle sizes like clay and silt. So what are some of the other reasons that a scientist may want to lick a rock? In the Ig Nobel winning essay, Jan points out that licking and wetting surfaces helps different textures of fossils and minerals to stand out more clearly. He also went on to explain how taste was an important part of the work of a very important stratigrapher named Giovanni Arduino. Arduino studied rocks and minerals in the Italian Alps in the 1700s, and based on his observations, he decided to group strata into primary, secondary, and tertiary orders. These orders were the foundation of what would become the geologic timescale. He first wrote these observations down in letters that he sent to a professor friend of his, and the letters were eventually published, disseminating his ideas and work further afield than he ever anticipated. In these letters, he goes into great detail about the taste of some of the rocks, including what they tasted like upon first impression, what they tasted like after they were spat out, and even what they tasted like after they had been burnt. Without modern geochemistry to go on, these differences in taste and texture were some of the ways that different mineralogies of rocks could be told apart. The essay goes into more detail about other ways that geologists and paleontologists have used their mouths to explore the natural world, and in some ways laments the lost art of licking limestones. I guess you could say that his essay explains why geology could leave a bad taste in your mouth.
Thank you, Joannosaurus. That was fantastic. Y'all should go follow Joannosaurus. She talks about dinosaurs and paleontology and not dinosaurs. It's great stuff.